and gratitude. We would like to welcome our distinguished dignitaries with roses. Now,
Thank you all, to all the dignitaries.
now it's time to know every milestones in the year gone by. May I now request our Club Secretary Rotarian Ramdas Gungi to present the glimpses of the year gone by.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಣರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವ ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ರೋಟರಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರೇ, ರೋಟರಿ ಆ್ಯನೆಟ್ಸ್, ನೆರೆದಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ರೋಟರಿ ಹಿತೈಷಿಗಳೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಇತರೆ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಆಗಮಿಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಪತ್ರಿಕಾ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ವಿಶ್ವಕಪ್ ಗೆದ್ದಿದ್ದರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಸ ಟೀಮು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದ ತಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಚುಕ್ಕಾಣಿಯನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯಾದ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಕೆಲವು ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳ ವಿವರ ನೀಡಲು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ 3 ಜುಲೈ 2023 ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿ ನಡೆದು ಈಗಿನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಡಿ ಜಿ ಅವರಾದ ಶರತ್ ಭಾಯಿ ಅವರ ಅಮೃತಾಸ್ತ್ರದಿಂದ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು NR ಗಜಿ ಅವರು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿ, ನಾನು ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ರೋಟರಿಯನ್ ಸಂದೀಪ್ ನಾಯ್ಕ ಅವರು ಟ್ರೆಸರರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಯುಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರು, ರೋಟರಿ ಹಿತೈಷಿಗಳು, ದಾನಿಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಸಹಕಾರ ನೀಡಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದ ಅವಧಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಹಸ್ತ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಅವೆನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಇನ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ weekly meetings weekly once on Thursday. Until now we conducted about 44 weekly meetings, 3 club assemblies and 5 BODs. Usually we conducted weekly meeting in our Rotary Nadashri Hall, but for a change we conducted 2 meetings outside the premises. That is one in Sheshadripuram Tree Park and in one in our Rotary fellow Rotary Vinayak Naik's house. Every week, along with our meeting agenda, we celebrate our Rotarians and Annex birthdays and marriage anniversaries. We have conducted 5 fellowship meets also along with BODs. Under community service, 1723 we have arranged a blood donation camp in our blood bank in collaboration with IMA Kumta, that is our Rotarian Namrata Sharma and their team. On 3rd, along with installation, we have honored SSLC topper Miss Aditi for securing 625 out of 625 marks and stood first in state, and also honored Vignesh, who has participated Special Olympics and win gold medal in table tennis. On 27-23 we conducted a seminar on women empowerment and the benefits available from Government of Karnataka. Mrs. Nagaratna, CDPO and in charge of EO, was our guest speaker. 21/7/23 we conducted tree plantation program at Government LPS Nehru Nagar along with Ants Club and SDNC Government LPS Nehru Nagar. 22/7/23 we conducted tree plantation program at various schools like Government HPS Chitragi, Mahatma Gandhi High School Chitragi, and also with the help of SDNC of the concerned schools. 24/7/23 conducted tree plantation program at Government HPS Mirjam and also opened a newly built entrance arch to the school by our club past president and members. 29/7/23 conducted mother and child care awareness program with the help of our Taluka famous child care Dr. Prasanna. 12/8/23 conducted tree plantation program at Tipai English Medium School with the help of high school administration. 24/8/23 workshop for ants and rodents on mentally retarded child and how they are born. Guest lecturer Professor Pramod Naik conducted this workshop. Again on 31st/8/23 one more workshop on mentally retarded child program and how to take care of them. Our guest lecturer Sri Ganesh Hegde conducted this workshop. 25/8/23 blood donation camp in collaboration with IMA Kumta and Kamla Balika College of Education, Kumta. 2/8/23 conducted Poshana Abhiyana to the students of Government LPS Nehru Nagar in association with SDNC and teachers Government LPS Nehru Nagar and CDPO Kumta. 16/11/23 Pick and Speak competition for high school students in coordination with Vidatri Academy, Saraswati PU College. 12/12/23 book releasing program of writer Shri Mohan Naik Pujali in association with administrative and staff of MG High School Chitragi. 14/12/23 we conducted basic health awareness program on dengue with the help of our Rotarian Dr. Nitish Ramba. 18/12/23 we have conducted training program on how to face civil services and other competitive exams for college students in Government First Grade College in association with Narayan Academy, Brahmavara. 22/12/23 free ear checkup camp and distribution of hearing aids to poor with the help of our Rotarian Dr. Prakash Bhatt and Mumbai based company. 23/12/23 Taluka level competition for PU students on sustainable agriculture developments in Saraswati PU College in association with Swaminathan Memorial Endowment, Mudbidre. 27/12/23 conducted eye care and awareness workshop and camp to give girls high school students with the help of our Rotarian Dr. Mallikarjun and Velkone Netralaya. 2/3/24 debate program conducted about past and present education policy in our government in association with Kannada Sahitya Parishad Kumta. 3/3/24 pulse polio program opening at Government Hospital Kumta and food packets were distributed to all urban polio booths. 4/4/24 seminar on environment and water preservation was done at Sheshadripuram Tea Park. 16/5/24 we conducted workshop on dengue with the help of our Rotarian Dr. Chaitra Naik. 29/5/24 we conducted blood donation camp in our blood bank in association with Kamla Balika College of Students, NSS and IMA Kumta supported us. 31/5/24 we participated school opening program at Government LPS Nehru Nagar and distributed notebooks, stationery, sweets and badges to the children. 6/6/24 celebrated Environmental Day celebration in our club and incoming President Dr. Atul Kamar conducted this program. 28/6/24 we conducted dental health checkup camp to Government HPS School Vivek Nagar in association with Kamla Balika College of Education and NSS unit, also with SDMC Vivek Nagar School. 29/6/24 conducted tree plantation and importance of planting trees program, planting trees to the students. Program in Government LPS Nehru Nagar and distributed saplings to the children. In vocational service, we felicitated Ajibal Award winning press reporter Mr. L. D. Naik for his dedicated work in journalism. 8/9/23 we felicitated ex-Vice Chancellor of Akka Mahadevi College, Vijaypura at Mallapur High School. 21/9/23 felicitated ISRO scientist Mr. Jagadish Chandra Naik from BARD for his dedicated work in Chandrayaan 3. 2/10/23 felicitated District Best Teacher Award winner Shri Pandurang Wagrekar at Chitragi Mahatma Gandhi High School. 27/11/23 felicitated Mr. Deepak Kalsanka and Mrs. Archana Hegde for their community services recognized by Rotary. 12/3/24 on the occasion of Women's Day, we along with Anne's Club felicitated Srimati Renuka Hegde, who is doing free services in delivering food packets to old men and mentally disabled persons. Under New Generation Service, we totally installed and renewed about 7 Interact clubs in various high schools in our taluka. Interacts were Give Boys High School, Give Girls High School, Give English Medium High School, Ramnath High School, Mahatma Gandhi High School, Chitragi, SKP High School, Tadka, Mallapur High School, and A.V. Paliga College Rotary Club. Public image initiative under 3/7/23 our installation program was held. 27/7/23 we felicitated our present MLA Mr. Dinkar K. Shetty. 37/23 Rotary Club Bentandi from Arai district 3181 visited our club and we inter-district flag exchange program was done. 37/23 we conducted our club repeated program of swimming competition at Vishnu Tirtha in association with late Shri Mohan K. Shetty Memorial Trust. 15/23 flag hosting at our club premises. 3/9/23 with our club new members we attended new member orientation and membership development revenue district meet organized by RC Karwar Club. 5/9/23 along with Anne's Club we celebrated Teachers Day celebration in LPS Nehru Nagar. 7/9/23 at our club we celebrated Teachers Day celebration also and felicitated all teachers in our Rotary family. 15/9/23 we celebrated NES Day in LPS Nehru Nagar and felicitated noted engineers. 19/9/23 along with Anne's Club we conducted taluka level Yashoda Krishna pencil dress competition and distributed prize. 2/10/23 we celebrated Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Jayanti at Government LPS Nehru Nagar and Mahatma Gandhi High School, Chitragi, and conducted various big programs to the children. 22/1/24 we celebrated Government Hospital Project Day with all officers and staff of Government Hospital and mementos were distributed. 26/1/23 Republic Day celebration at our club premises were held. 22/2/24 paying homage program for guest great literature Shri Vishnu Naik program was done. 23/5/24 grandly we celebrated 47th year Charter Day of our club along with RC Pune Metro Club members. 23/5/24 we exchanged a plan with RC Pune Metro Club presidents and members. 29/5 we paid homage to our Anne Shaili Sarila Bhatt, wife of our Rotarian SS Bhatt Lokeshwar. 29/5/24 we conducted blood donation awareness program and appreciation award giving program at Kamalapalila College of Education in association with IMA Kunta. For this Rotarian Namrata Sharma conducted this. These are all our club activities. Other than this, our Anne's Club members along with President Anne Vijayalakshmi, Secretary Anne Shaila and Treasurer Anne Shraddha also helped for making our Rotary year very colorful by conducting program like Varamahalakshmi, Muddu Krishna and Newman Walkathon with Sari and other curricular activities. One more thing is Anne Shaila has given one honorary teacher to Government LPS Nehru Nagar for better education of her students and paid her salary of about 33,000 rupees per year. Till now, with the help of my fellow Rotarians and AG Vasantrao, we have donated, already said, $1,239 to Rotary Foundation. ಇನ್ನು ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಸುಮಾರು ನಾನು ರೋಟರಿ ಸೇರಿ ಸುಮಾರು 19 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಟ್ರೆಸರರ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯಾಗಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೋಟರಿ ಬಾಂಧವರು ಅವಕಾಶ ನೀಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಅದರಂತೆ ಈ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಎನ್ನೆವರ್ ಗಜವರು, ಸಂದೀಪ್ ಸಂದೀಪ್ ನಾಯಕ್ ಅವರು ಹಾಗೂ ರೋಟರಿ ಎ ಜಿ ವಸಂತರಾವ್ ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಹಕಾರ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವರು ಕೂಡ ನನಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂಥ ಹಾಗೂ ನನಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮಾರು ದಾನಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ನನಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Thank you, Rotarian Ramdas Gurgi, for presenting the glimpses of the past Rotary year.
Before moving to our next program, we would like to thank Rotarian Ganesh M. Kamath, owner of Sunrise Foods, for distributing us with delicious and healthy biscuits. Thank you to Rotarian Ganesh M. Kamath.
Now it's time to honor the Best Rotarian Award for the year 2023 and 24. I'm very glad to announce that the most favorite person of all, the most humble and senior Rotarian, Dr. Deepak D. Nair, was elected as the Best Rotarian for the year 2023 and 2024. I request you to come on the stage to receive the honor, sir. I request outgoing Assistant Governor Rotarian Vasant Rao to present the Best Rotarian Award to Rotarian Dr. Deepak D. Nair. I also request all the dignitaries on task to join him. Dr. Deepak D. Nair is a famous senior most dental surgeon in Kumta, who has worked in government hospital as a dental surgeon for more than 35 years. And he is well known for his selfless work and ever smiling face and kind heart. His service nature is not only in his profession but also extended in Rotary Club since so many years. Ladies and gentlemen, join your hands together for the Best Rotarian of the Year, Dr. D.D. Nair, sir. Vishnu Kamal, please come on stage. Tanmay, Vyas Kamal, please come on stage. Once again, we all congratulate you, sir.
ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಇದು ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಶೀಲ್ಡ್. ಇದು ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೋಟರಿಯನ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡು ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೋಟರಿ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೀಪಕ್ ನಾಯಕ್ ಅವರು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವರು ಏನು ಅನುಸರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಅವಾರ್ಡು ನಮಗೆ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ ಡೇ ದಿವಸ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ ಡೇ May 18 ಇತ್ತು, 20 ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆವಾಗ ಹತ್ತಿರದ ಬೆಳಗಾವದ ರೋಟರಿಯನ್ ಅಶೋಕ್ ನಾಯ್ಕ್ ಅವರು ಈ ರೋಟರಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೇಟ್ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಕಾಮತ್ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂಥ ಗಳಿಗೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಕಾಮತ್ರವರ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಈ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಗೆ, ಕುಮಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಒಂದಿದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದರಲ್ಲೂ ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೋತೇವೆ. ಅಂತಹ ರೋಟರಿಯನ್ನರು ಈಗ ಅವರ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅತುಲ್ ಕಾಮತ್, ವಿಷ್ಣು ಕಾಮತ್ ಅವರ ಮಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವರು ಒಂದು ರೋಟರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಯಂಗ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಂಗ್ ಟೀಮ್ದೊಂದಿಗೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸುಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮವಾಗಿ ದೀಪಕ್ ನಾಯಕ್ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೀಪಕ್ ನಾಯಕ್ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಅನಾನಮಸ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಯಾರು ಇವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಅನಿಸಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅವೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡಿಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯುತವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
Thank you to the dignitaries. We would like to congratulate to our beloved Dr. D.D. Naik sir, and we now invite him to share a few words.
ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿರುವಂಥ ಗಣ್ಯತೆ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ಇಂದಿನ ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವಂಥ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಭಾವಾನ್ವಿತರೇ, ರೋಟರಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರೇ, ಗಣ್ಯರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಒಂದು ಭಗಿನಿಯರೇ, ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಆಪ್ತಮಿತ್ರರಾದಂಥ ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ನಿಯೋಜಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂತಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯ ತುಂಬ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಕುಮಟಾಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾನು ಅವಾಗ ವಿಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಅಥವಾ ನ್ಯೂ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆ ಊರಿನ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನವ್ರು ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನನಗೆ ನಾನು ಬಂದ 2 ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಕಾಮತ್ರು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೌದತ್ತಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ ಮೊದಲು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು 1989 ಇಸ್ವಿಯ ಸಮಾಚಾರ. ವಿಷ್ಣು ಕಾಮತ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ರೋಟರಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತಲೇ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನನಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ರೋಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊಸ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬು ನನಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ರೋಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಕಾಮತ್ರು ಒಂದು ಮಹಾನ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಮಿತ್ರತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ, ರೋಟರಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಿತ್ರತ್ವವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿಪಾದಿಸ್ತದೆ. ರೋಟರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಕಾಮತ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಒಂದು ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಲೈವ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಿತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ರೋಟರಿ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರಿದ್ದರೆ ಸಾಕು, ನಾವು ಸಾಂಗ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿ, ಕೊಲ್ಲಾಪುರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲಿ, ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಲಿ, ಇಡೀ ಅದನ್ನು ಆ ಪ್ರಯಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಕಾಮತರ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹುಣ್ಣಾಗುವಂಥ ನಗೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ರೋಟರಿಯ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೆಲೋಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ತದ್ರೂಪವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅವರು. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ದುರದೃಷ್ಟ, ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಆದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಜಯಶ್ರೀ ಕಾಮತ್ ಅವರು, ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ನಮ್ಮ ಅತುಲ್ ಕಾಮತ್ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿಯ ಒಂದು ಚುಕ್ಕಾಣಿಯನ್ನು ಒಂದು ವೈಭವೋಪೇತ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ವಹಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವರ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಶಿಕಾಂತ್ ಕೋಳೇಕರ್ ಅವರು ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು. ಆಗ ಸಾಧಾರಣ 1.5 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿಯ ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಹೀಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಹುಮ್ಮಸ್ಸು ಬಂದು ಅದರ ನಂತರ ಈ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂಥ ಇದು ಘಟನೆ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ನಮ್ಮ ಅತುಲ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಒಂದು ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ರೋಟರಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನನಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ರೆಕಗ್ನಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ರೋಟರಾಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ರೋಟರಾಕ್ಟ್ ರತ್ನ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನನಗೆ. ರೋಟರಿ ರತ್ನ, ನನಗೆ ರೋಟರಿಯಿಂದ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಇದು ರೋಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹೊಸಬರಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನೀವೇ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೂ ಸಂತೋಷ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿತ್ರರಾದಂಥ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಕಾಮತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೊದಲಿಂದಲೂ ಇತ್ತು. ನನ್ನ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಆಪ್ತ ಮಿತ್ರರು ಹೌದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಇದರಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಮೊದಲೇ ಅಜರಾಮರಾಗೇ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಒಂದು ಚಾಲನೆ ಸಿಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗೆ ನಾನು ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಆಭಾರವನ್ನು ಮಂಡಿಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದೆ.
Congratulations, sir, and thank you for your wonderful words. Now I invite Rotarian Dr. Namrata Shanbag to introduce our installing officer, Rotarian Dr. Monica Kuloli.
Good evening, everyone. Today we have with us a vibrant and talented lady Rotarian who is a dedicated gynecologist and a lovely person with exemplary organizing skills. I welcome you, ma'am. Dr. Monica Vijay Kuloli. She is presently working as a medical superintendent at Kuloli Institute of Health Services and head of department of OPG. I'll just take you through a list of her qualifications along with DGO and DMD. She's done a FOGSI recognized ultrasound training from the well-known Sion Hospital, Mumbai. Pelviscopy training in Kiel University, Germany. Obstetric anal sphincter trauma course under Dr. Sultan in UK. FOGSI recognized IUI course. FOGSI recognized colposcopy course. Cosmetic gynecology and PG in quality management of AHA, Noida, where she was a gold medalist. Program on implementation and internal auditor in NABH. She has many presentations and publications to her credit. Presented paper on screening for cervical cancers in National Conference held at Mumbai in 2013, RCOG International Conference e-poster at Hyderabad in 2014, submitted the same in index journals and presented a research paper on 7 easy, effective and safe steps of abdominal hysterectomy by her own Kuloli's method in MOGS and SAFOG conference, and she also bagged the Best Paper Award for the same. She has given talks on screening of cervix in international conference at Prague and also given talks in various CMEs in different capacities. She has visited Zimbabwe and Nigeria as a surgical faculty in a medical mission representing our district Rotary District 3170. Also a visiting surgeon at SEARCH Gadchiroli at Dr. Banks Hospital. Compiled a training manual for screening of cervical cancer for Rotary District 3170. I already have requested a copy of the same. Paper presented in Index Journal on role of COVID vaccine in disease outcome. She was recognized as a COVID warrior by Shiv Pratishthan NGO group, Devdoot by Maharashtra State Marathi Patrakar Sangh by the hands of ex-Chief Minister Honorable Devendra Fadnavis. Recognition by IMA Sangli for exemplary work in the field of health. And in Rotary, she has achieved 4 Avenue Service Award in Rotary International, RI Presidential Citation for 100% membership growth in the club, the Rotary Foundation Appreciation Award for Major Donor Level 1. She held many responsible posts as President RC Vishrambag in 2007 and 8 and bagged the Best President Award during that year. She was the Assistant Governor of Rotary District 3170 in 12 and 13, for which again she bagged the Best Assistant Governor Award. And she was Meeraj OBGY Society Secretary in the year 14-15 and President in the year 21-22. And Clinical Secretary of IMA Sangli in 2014-15 and Secretary of Rotary Vishrambag Trust from 14 to 17 and Secretary of Growth Foundation since 2024. I already told you about her organizing skills. She's worked in the capacity of organizing as an organizing clinical secretary in live workshop and CME at Innovations 2011 workshop in ultrasound at Kuloli Hospital. Laparoscopic hysterectomies live workshop in 2013 at Bharati Vidyapeeth Deemed University and Medical College Sangli innovative hysterectomies, live workshop at Kuloli Hospital in 2016, and organized vaginal surgeries revisited live surgical workshop in association with AMOGS and Meerut OBGY Society at Kuloli Institute of Health Services in 2022. So I thank our office bearers for giving me this golden opportunity of introducing this woman of great stature. Once again, thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Rotarian Dr. Namrata Shanbag, for that wonderful introduction. We are honored to have such esteemed leaders with us tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, before going to the most important event of this evening, that is 48th installation of President and his team, let's take a few more minutes to dwell into the life and achievements of our new leader, Rotarian Atul Kamath.
Rotarian Atul Vishnu Kamath was born on 19th June 1980 in Kumta, where he completed his primary and secondary education before pursuing further studies in Mangalore, Kumta and Hubli. He is a registered pharmacist and holds an MBA in Retail Management and Public Relations. As a third generation member of the Kumta Rotary family, Atul joined Rotaract in 1998 and has been actively involved in various club and district activities, holding numerous positions. He was awarded the Best Rotaractor Award in 2001-2002 and successfully led the IDYE team for District 3180 in 2003. He played a key role in the successful organization of the Rotaract Conference in Sirsi in 2000 and became District Rotaract Representative in 2006, organizing a historic Rotaract Conference in Morba village in February 2007. He joined the Rotary Club of Kumta in 2007 and served as Secretary in 2021, initiating the first ever global grant and completing a hospital upgrade project worth approximately ₹1 crore. Under his leadership, the club received numerous awards including Best Club, and he was recognized as Best Secretary. He is a trustee of the Indira Abhyudaya Trust, a member of the Red Cross Society, and has held leadership roles in various local organizations including the Kumta Taluka Scouts and Guides Association, the Karnataka Chemists and Druggists Association, and the Canara College Society. He is a successful pharmaceutical businessman who enjoys traveling and reading. He is fluent in Konkani, Kannada, Hindi, English and Marathi. He is married to Mrs. Bedha and has two sons, Vishnu and Vyas.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is the most important part of today's evening. As the Rotary wheel turns one full circle, it is time for one Rotary leader to hand over the baton to another. It is the time for the new president to take charge. Now I request our installing officer, Dr. Monica Kuloli, to call her the new president of Rotary Club of Kumta, Rotarian Atul Kamath. I request all of you to stand up and join your hands together for the 48th president of Rotary Club of Kumta, presenting before you Rotarian Atul Kamath. I request installing officer Dr. Monica Kuloli to call her the new president of Rotary Club of Kumta as 48th president of the club. I request Assistant Governor Rotary Manuel Stefan to provide the presidential label pin to the new president. Presidential label pin. presidential label pin. Wear it with pride. Congratulations, Rotarian Atul Kamath. We wish you a successful year ahead. Now, Rotarian C.A. Vinayak S. Hegde is going to take the charge. Kindly be seated. I request everyone to kindly be seated.
C.A. Vinayak S. Hegde was born on 8th April 1983 in Kocheli, Kumta. He completed his PUC and BCom graduation at Dr. A.V. Baliga College of Commerce, Kumta in 2004, followed by LLB graduation at Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia College of Law, Bangalore in 2008. He earned his Chartered Accountant qualification from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India and established his firm A.N.K.H. and Associates in Basavanagudi, Bangalore. The firm now has offices in Bangalore, Kumta and Hubli, employing over 50 staff members. Vinayak was a member of the Rotaract Club Kumta from 2000 to 2004 and joined the Rotary Club of Kumta in 2018. In 2021, he served as the primary contact for the successful completion of a global grant project upgrading Kumta Government Hospital with a budget of approximately ₹1 crore. Vinayak is happily married to Mrs. Sandhya Hegde and has 2 sons, Siddhant and Sanvit. His hobbies include playing chess, listening to music and reading books.
Once again, congratulations to the new Secretary Rotarian C.A. Vinayak S. Hegde. We request Anne Sandhya Hegde to join him for this beautiful event. She is going to be the Anne's Secretary for the upcoming year. Congratulations, Anne Sandhya Hegde. And now, I request our installing officer to pin the treasurer for upcoming year, Rotarian Pawan D. Shetty, is going to take the charge as treasurer for the year 2024 and 2025. Rotarian Pawan D. Shetty, associate dealer in Hero Motors, Kumta. He is also the president of BJP Yuva Morcha, Kumta. He is a son of Sandhya and Rotarian Damodar K. Shetty. He is BCA graduate and has worked in Wipro before starting his business in Kumta. And he is an active member in Rotary Club of Kumta and a past secretary for the year 2022 and 2023. Congratulations to the treasurer, Rotarian Pawan D. Shetty. Thank you, Rotarian Dr. Monica Kololi and Assistant Governor Rotarian Manuel Stephan for the installing the new team. Congratulations to all of you once again.
Year 2024-25. She's not present due to unavoidable situation, but we would like to congratulate her. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? And Sandhya Hegde, Secretary of Anne's Team 2024-2025. Congratulations. And Deepa Naik, Treasurer of Anne's Team 2024-2025. Congratulations to her. Rotarian Ganesh Naik, Joint Secretary. Rotarian Vinayak Naik, Sergeant at Arms. Rotarian N.R. Gaju, IPP. Rotarian Kiran K. Naik, President-elect. Rotarian Nikhil Kshetrapal, Secretary-elect. Now I would like to call upon Board of Directors for the year 2024-25. Rotarian Yogesh Kodkani, Club Service. Rotarian Vinay Naik, Community Service. Rotarian Lohit Naik, Vocational Service. Rotarian Pranav Mandlikar, International Service. Rotarian Nikhil Kshetrapal, Youth Service. Rotarian MB Pai, Club Historian. Rotarian Kiran Naik, Chief Editor. Rotarian MD Pai and Rotarian Dr. Deepak Naik, Club Trainers. Next, I would call upon Committee Chairman for the year 2024-25. Rotarian Vasant Shanbhag, Club Administration. Rotarian Suresh Bhatt, Membership Development. Rotarian Jeevraj J, Financial Management. Rotarian Dr. Vagesh Bhatt, Public Relations. Rotarian Dr. Nitish Shanbhag, Service Projects. Rotarian Shashikant Kodekar, Rotary Foundation. Rotarian Jayashree Kamath, Interact Club. Rotarian Vishnu Bhatt, Rotaract Club. Rotarian Dr. Chaitra Naik, Ants Club. Rotarian Gururaj Shetty, Education and Literacy. Rotarian Jaivital Kumar, Programs and Events. Rotarian Dr. Sachin Naik, Health Awareness and Camps. Rotarian Dr. Namrata Shanbhag, New Member Orientation. Rotarian Vinayak Baderi, Media Relation. Rotarian Yogesh Kamath, Club Charter and Literacy. Rotarian GS Hegde, Rotary Service Society. Rotarian Satish Naik, Pulse Polio. Rotarian Chetan Sheth, District Grants. Rotarian GJ Naik, Global Grants. Rotarian Sandeep Naik, CSR Grants. Rotarian Vasant Rao, District Relations. Now I would like to call upon Advisory Council of year 2024-25, Rotarian Shrikant Bhatt, Rotarian Arun Ubhaikar, Rotarian Damodar Shetty and Rotarian Mohsin Khazi. Now, I would like to call upon co-chairman and coordinators for the year 2024-25. Rotarian S.V. Hegde, Rotarian M. Ramesh Upadhyaya, Rotarian Dr. Ganesh Bhatt, Rotarian Shilpa Jeevraj, Rotarian Ajit Bhatt, Rotarian Shivanand Kempashi, Rotarian Dr. Mallikarjun CS, Rotarian Dr. Amit Naik, Rotarian R.T. Hegde, Rotarian Dr. Muralidhar Hegde, Rotarian Dr. Prakash Bhatt, Rotarian Akbar Mullah, Rotarian Dr. Naveen Belwadi, Rotarian Dr. Sanjay Putla, Rotarian Vishal Sheth, Rotarian Srinivas Naik, Rotarian L.S. Naik, Rotarian Harish Hegde, Rotarian Praveen Sheth, Rotarian G.M. Kamath, Rotarian Nandan Bhatt, and Rotarian Guru Prasad Kamath. Our ANDS team of 2024-2025 to please come on stage and collect the flower as a token of gratitude. And may the Shri Kamath, who will be the
One minute. Vice President Rotarian Frankie Fernandez, Joint Secretary Dr. Sridhar Bhatt, Joint Secretary Rotarian Ganesh Nayak, Sergeant Town Rotarian Vinayak Nayak, and Club Service Vice President G.M. Kamath, Club Service Rotarian Yogesh Kodkani, Community Service Rotarian Vinay Nayak, Occasional Service Rotarian Lohit Nayak, International Service Rotarian Pranav Mantikar, Youth Service Rotarian Nikhil Shekhpal, Club Historian Rotarian M.B. Pai, Chief Editor Rotarian Kiran Nayak, and Club Trainers Rotarian M.B. Pai and Rotarian Dr. Deepak Naik. Please come on stage. Board members.
As a ritual, new office bearers ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ will take a formal oath. I request all the new office bearers to please keep your hand on your heart. ಎದೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಯ್ತು ನೀವು ಸ್ಪ್ರೇಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರೋಟರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೈ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೀ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್. I take your names. Solemnly swear that I'll faithfully and willingly discharge the duties and responsibilities of my office as fully conscious of the important obligations which I voluntarily committed to assume. I further pledge to uphold and defend the Constitution and bylaws of the Rotary Club of Kumta and that of Rotary International, ever putting into practice Rotary's motto, service above self, and applying the four-way test as the basis of all my actions and actuations to help advance the object of Rotary, giving emphasis to this year's theme, the magic of Rotary. Yours in Rotary. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you to our installation officer for the oath-taking ceremony, for guiding us through the oath-taking ceremony.
As our Rotary family always likes to extend and welcomes new members to the family. Now it's time to installation of new members and welcoming them to our Kumta Rotary family. May I request our distinguished dignitaries on the dais to welcome the new members.
Now I'll call upon the names. Please come to the dais and collect the badges. Dr. Nazir, physician, please come to the dais along with your family. We heartily welcome you and your family to our Rotary Club of Kumta. Dr. Tisha Sheikh, physiotherapist. We welcome her and her family to the Rotary Club of Kumta. Referred by Rotarian Dr. Nitish Shanbhag. Yogesh Naik, Karnataka Bank Manager, Ankola Branch. We welcome him with his family to please come and collect the badge, and we also welcome him to our Rotary family. Referred by Rotarian Jai Vidal Kumar. Ranjita Tiwari, Canara Bank Manager. Adesh Gamkar, HDFC Ergo Insurance. Referred by Rotarian Dr. Amit Naik. Satish Hegde, HDFC Bank Manager, Kumta Branch. Rotarian Satish Naik. Flavian Fernandez, freelancer for manufacturing industry, is an industrial consultant. Referred by Rotarian Frankie Fernandez. We heartily welcome you to our Rotary family. Naveen Naik, he is working as IT business consultant in HCL Technology. We would like to welcome him on the stage along with his family. Referred by Rotarian Vinay Naik. Bhuvan Bhagat, businessman, PLD Kumta chairman, and is also Block Congress president of Kumta. Suraj Naik Soni, businessman and politician of JDS. Pawan Kumar Naik, businessman. I would like to welcome you all to our Rotary family. Thank you all. Thank you all, and kindly be seated. Now, I would like to